And in this video, I show you how to write ad copy like this that gets millions of views and makes hundreds of thousands of dollars. Let's go. Alright you guys, it's your boy Avvin back with another video, and in this one, before we get started, I got a couple of things we got to take care of. First off, if this is your first time on the channel, if you're looking for course level content with actually having to pay for a course, then I got you. I'm your guy. All I ask is please consider giving me a like, a comment, subscribe, turn that bell notification on so you don't miss a thing. Also, I'm going to be doing another giveaway in this video. I'm going to be giving away a free consulting call to one of you. All you got to do is stay till the end of the video to figure out how you can actually enter that. In that consulting call, I'll go over your Facebook ads, your store, product research, whatever it is you want me to do. I got you. I will stay with you as long as you need me to, but stay till the end so you can figure out how you can actually enter that. And yeah, let's get into the video. All right, hey you guys. So here we are in my computer. And let's get into the video. What I'm going to talk about right now is how I wanted to structure the video a little bit was show you some examples of good ad copy, medium ad copy, as well as bad ad copy, show you the videos associated with it, kind of what I would do to improve upon it. And I'm also going to give you my own formula of the best ad copy that I see work right now. I have a couple of different methods. I write ad copy on every single product I test. I'm going to give you those. I'm going to walk you through how I think about it, so how you can take what my methods basically added to your own product, because obviously it's not all the same, but after you're done watching the video, you will know exactly how to take the logic that I use and how to structure it for your own products so you can start making ad copy that most importantly sells and converts. So let's start with this first video. It is this gardening drill. I'll just show you the product real quick, just to get an idea of it, so the ad copy makes a little bit more sense maybe. So it's a really cool product. Just a cordless drill, makes drilling holes for gardeners super easy. But as you see the product now, let's look at the ad copy. This is where they really screw it up. I love gardening, but hated the physical strain on my joints and couldn't be in the garden as much as I wanted. This gardening tool made my life so much easier. Now I can do whatever I need in the garden with no issues. So the main problem with that is, just to start, this doesn't, like, that's super long. It's obviously a review, but it doesn't convey the main pain point or the main benefit of the product that the person who buys it is going to get. It's got to be done in a concise and clear way, because that's the only way you're going to get them to click on your ad. Look, Facebook is a platform where people come to socialize and do other different things. They do not come to buy. You have a chance to get them to buy if your product is great and your ad copy is good, because your ad copy and your creative is the first point of contact you have with a potential buyer. So the ad copy's got to be on point. As you can tell, no one is going to really read this, or even if they do, it doesn't really stand out to them. So already right there, they're losing. I mean, they got 794,000 views and almost 1,800 shares, which is, it's good. It's definitely good. But this product, I've seen it before, and they were one of the first people to test it, but they screwed it up because of their ad copy. I've seen this product scaled by even another dropshipper by way more, because they're everything on their side in terms of the ad copy and everything else, of course, was on point. Okay, now let me show you another video and their ad copy. It's a little bit better. Let me show you this one. So obviously it's a skincare device, wrinkles, fine lines. Beauty niche is a great niche because it solves a major pain point. And so give the gift of youthful looking skin with this new skincare device. Yeah, this is pretty good ad copy. 3.7 million views, 2,000 shares. Definitely really solid. I think there's a little bit room for improvement, but overall good. So let me tell you, what you're looking for when you write ad copy. You want to be hitting the major pain point or the major benefit that the person is going to use. Get to that as soon as possible, because that's the reason they're going to buy it, right? So obviously this person is doing a great job, because with this device, the people who are going to buy this device, they want to get rid of the wrinkles or fine lines, as we've seen in the video. So give the gift of youthful looking skin. That hits directly the nail on the head of what this product can do for them, and that's going to hit that's going to hit a nerve with them. But you need to be hitting their emotion. What is the major emotion or the major benefit or pain point that you're hitting with this product? That's how you need to think about your ad copy. If you start to think of those lines with every ad copy you write, I promise you can make even a medium product do better than it probably could, just because of that. So start thinking about, how can I improve the customer's life, or improve a pain point, something like that. That is the major key. So youthful looking skin, great. I like that. They hit the nail on the head. So let me go and show you kind of my logic between how I write ad copy, and you can take it for yourself and start to implement it to your own products and start to convert on sales. So the first one, effective ad copy, I'm going to talk about this drill, how I would improve upon this, because obviously this was the shittiest ad copy out of the 3. So let me unhighlight this real quick. So how would I write it? So there's a couple angles I would like to think about for this gardening drill, right? Angle number 1, it just drills holes super fast, saves a lot of time. That's the main one. Saves time and effort. So start thinking about your own products, like maybe ones you plan to test, and start thinking about what are the angles of it. How does it improve on the customer's life, and then you can start to use that as the foundation for how your ad copy. Saves time and effort. Number 2. Gardeners are typically, older people, men and women. I think it's more women, but older people, right? I don't know any people my age who garden, but so a product like this is obviously going to help them. Gardening takes a lot of effort. The dig hole takes a lot of effort, especially when you're older. That's tough. Arthritis, joint pain, joint pain, back pain, whatever it may be. That's a problem for people who garden. So angle number 2, old people and their pains, and how this product makes it easier on them. So those are 2 angles, and that is going to be the 2 angles which I am going to write the ad copy based on. So the first one, save time and effort. Simple. This gardening tool digs holes in just seconds. That is super simple. You don't have to overcomplicate the process. It gets right and direct to the point of what this product can do for them and how it's going to improve their life. It digs holes in seconds. Add an emoji just for let it pop on the timeline, because you got to get their attention, because there's so much shit on the timeline. And this gardening tool digs holes in just seconds. Get it here. I usually do it twice, so let me do it one more time, and I would just put it twice. That's it. Simple. First one done. That's it. Go on to the next one. Angle 1 is finished. Angle 2. Let me unhighlight this real quick. Okay, so angle 2, like we said, was old people and their pains and how this product makes it easier on that. So I would say this tool relieves back and joint pain while gardening. Simple, right? Like I said, you don't have to overcomplicate this. Do not do this, this bullshit with this review. Just make it short, concise, and just get to the point. That's it. You don't have a lot of time. You got to get them to meet as quickly as possible and get them interested in next. And the next step is you want them to start watching your video, right? So the copy is the first point of contact that they're going to have with your advertisement. So this tool relieves back and joint pain while gardening. And with your targeting, this is going to hit them, right? Because this is a pain point for them. They know that shit, when I garden, my joints hurt. I have arthritis, shit like that. So this is going to hit them. That's a great pain point that it hits. Good. And then this is my other second format of copy, right? So I do my first format, I kind of just do a simple statement copy, and URL. That's it. The second one, I do a little more bullet type. So this gives me a little more flexibility in terms of more about the product, because it is the first point of contact. So I just talk about the main benefits. This is one major important thing. When you are writing ad copy, do not be talking about features. Don't say this is the size of it, this is how it's made, it's electric, or this is a major killer. Don't talk about features. That people don't care about that. You can talk about that in your product page. That's what it's for. When this benefits, always be thinking, have a laser focus on how the hell am I going to improve the customer's life, make their life easier, solve a pain point, do something like that. If you start thinking along those lines, you will start having success, not only in your products, your ad copy, and everything you do in terms of marketing. That is what marketing is, right? Or successful marketing, at least in the way I've seen it in my experience. How do we improve the customer's life or solve a pain for them? Those are two major things. Start thinking those lines, you'll start to kill, I promise you that. So this tool relieves back and joint pain while gardening. What's the major benefits? Like we said in the first one, no more digging holes, and works on all soil types. So another hack, this is a little bit of a hack. You can read, if you're looking at products that already selling in the market, and you're maybe just trying to also market the same product, you can go on Amazon, or you can read on the Facebook comments and see what are people talking about it. I read on the comments of this ad that people were asking, does this work on rocky soil, clay, shit like that. I don't know soil types at all. So I just wrote, works on all soil types. If there's a new product you're testing, you go on Amazon, read the comments, see what people are asking about, questions, or see points that they're talking about. Let me actually show you. Okay, here I pulled up this gardening drill on Amazon. Look, people are talking about. I just look at these reviews I mentioned, because these are obviously the most. These are the most commonly wrote about commonly wrote about in the reviews, like the keywords essentially. So time saver, obviously we hit that angle. So just hit them. Hard soil and clay soil, I just read about them. And so obviously these are the most popular things that people with this who buy this product are interested in. So if you can hit why this is actually going to improve their life in that aspect, think about how that's effectively hitting the nail on the head of what they're looking for the product to do for them. So that's what we like to do. So I go back to my copy. I write works on all soil types. Perfect. We're done. That's it. That's my 2 forms of copy that I do for these. I would do for this product, and those are my 2 forms of copy I do in general: statement copy and bullet copy, exactly like this. And this has been converting great for us in 2019, and even before in 2018 a little bit. We've done hundreds of thousands of dollars of sales with just this type of ad copy. So this is the type of ad copy that I use for all my products. Start following this, and the main thing I want to just recap before I let you guys go is always be thinking about how can I improve the customer's life, right? How can I what's the major benefit of the product in terms of improving their life in that aspect, or solve a major pain point. Start thinking in those lines. Start writing your ad copy to reflect that. You will kill, bro, kill. So start doing that, and let me know how it goes. So all right, you guys, so as promised, giveaway time. Here's how you can actually enter. First off, if you want to enter to win this free consulting call, just comment down below what type of video topics you want to see in the future. Let me know what you're struggling with and what kind of videos you would like to see. It's really that simple. Just write that in the comments below. To win, you gotta make sure you subscribe though, as well as like the video. If you don't do those 3 things, you will be eligible to win this consulting call. I'll sit with you for 30 minutes, an hour, as long as you need me to, till I answer every single one of your questions. I got you. Don't worry about the time. Just comment down below and do those other things, and you will be entered to win the free consulting call. That's a wrap on the video. If you stayed this long, I really, really do appreciate you. If you got some value out of it, please consider giving me a like, a comment, subscribe, as well as if you want to see more videos by me, I've made this playlist. It's either here or here, I don't know. But here's kind of a basic to advanced mini course I did, product research all the way to Facebook ads, testing and scaling. Or over here is another video I did, so click on that as well. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.